In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use blog automation on AWeber. If you've been looking to seamlessly integrate your latest blog posts into your email marketing strategy, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the details and explore how AWeber can help automate this process for you, saving you valuable time and ensuring that your subscribers are always in the loop with your latest content. First off, you need to log into your AWeber account. Make sure you have your credentials handy so you can get started right away. Once you're logged in, take a moment to select the email list that you want to associate with this automation. It's important to ensure you're working with the correct list, as this will determine who receives your blog updates. Now, once your list is ready, head over to the Automations tab and select Workflows. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create Workflow to begin setting up a new automated process. From the list of templates, look for the Share Feed Content template. This template is geared specifically towards RSS-based automations, which is precisely what we need to bring your blog posts to your audience with ease. At the Check Feed step, you'll need to enter your blog's RSS feed URL. If you're not sure what your RSS feed URL is, don't worry. You can attempt entering your website or blog's main URL, and AWeber might be able to detect the feed automatically. It's a handy feature to take the guesswork out of the process. Now, moving on to configuring your feed settings, this is where you personalize how and when AWeber checks for new content from your blog. Decide the frequency at which you want AWeber to scan for updates, and choose to send out emails immediately after you publish new posts, or stick to a more regular schedule that suits your needs. You can also specify how many new blog posts should accumulate before sending an email. Tailor these settings to match your content delivery preference, creating a seamless update experience for your subscribers. Next, you'll dive into editing the email message itself. This is your opportunity to make it truly yours. Open the email editor and take some time to customize the subject line, branding elements, and content. Using the feed element will allow your most recent blog posts to populate automatically into the email. It's generally recommended to include about 3 to 4 posts per email to keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your email, ensure you save the changes and return to the main workflow page. The final step is to hit Publish, which activates your newly created automation. And there you have it. Your blog content will now be automatically shared through AWeber, keeping your subscribers informed and engaged with every new post you publish. By following these straightforward steps, you've set up an efficient, automated way to share your blog posts using AWeber. It's an effective method to enhance your content's reach and maintain a consistent connection with your audience. Happy blogging!